Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when your search menu and start menu is not opening and you can't write anything in it. So it just stops working. So the first method would be right click on your taskbar and click on task manager. Once you do this, you have to go over to the processes tab and search for Windows Explorer. Right click on it and click on restart. You'll notice your taskbar and all the desktop files and desktop wallpaper would be vanished for a moment, and it is totally fine and totally normal, so you don't have to worry about it. It will come back in a few seconds. Once this happens, you just restart your PC, and sometimes this only fixes your problem. If your problem still occurs, so don't worry, I've got another method for this. Just press Windows plus R and this will open this run dialog box. You have to type regedit in it and click OK. And then you have to right click on H key classes root. Once you right click on it, click on permissions and then click on advanced. Once you click on advanced, it will bring you to this interface. Just click on add and then click on advanced again. Then click on find now and then here you'll find all application packages. Click on it and then click on OK. Then click on OK again and here you'll see all application packages has been added in your usernames. Now click on this and then is here you can see read. It is unchecked. You just have to click on this and make it checked. Once you click on this and it is checked, just click on apply, OK and close everything. Then just restart your PC one time and hopefully your problem is solved. So yes, this is how you can fix your problem. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.